Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we are going to learn what is trigonometric ratio and what are its applications in our day-to-day life. You know, in trigonometry there are 6 different types of trigonometric functions. What are they? Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Okay, now these are the 6 trigonometric functions. Now sine is denoted as sin, cosine is denoted as cos, tangent is denoted as tan, cotangent is denoted as cot, then secant is denoted as sec, then cosecant is denoted as cosec. When these trigonometric functions are taken with an angle, that is, if we take sine 30 degree or cos 45 degree, in this way if we take the angle and their trigonometric functions like this, then this becomes a trigonometric ratio. So that means sine 30 degree is the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degree, cos 45 degree is nothing but it is the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree angle. Now similarly you can take tan 60 degree, cot 60 degree like this. So when we take these trigonometric functions with an angle, it is called trigonometric ratio. Now let us consider about the general angle. So what is that? Theta. Okay. Now if we take sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta, then these trigonometric functions are called trigonometric ratios. Now why they are called trigonometric ratios? We have to understand this one. Okay. Now here I have taken a right angle triangle. Now name this triangle as ABC, where B is the right angle. Now suppose this angle is theta. The measurement of this angle C is suppose theta. Now the side included between this right angle and the angle which we have taken into consideration is called the base. So it is the base. Now the side opposite to this angle is called perpendicular because it is drawn normal to this base. Now the longest side which is opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse and it is denoted as h. Now the question is, if we take the trigonometric ratios of this angle as sin theta, if we take sin theta, then this will be p by h. Okay. Then cos theta, cos of this angle. So this will be b by h. Then suppose if we take tan theta, so it will be p by b. Okay. Then what will be the cosec theta? You know cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So it will be how much? Reciprocal of this one. So it will be h by p. Okay. Then sec theta. You know sec is the reciprocal of cos. So it will be h by b. Okay. Then tan theta. If we take cot theta, so it will be the reciprocal of tan theta. So it will be b by p. Okay. Now these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now why they are called trigonometric ratios? Now look here, this sin theta is expressed in the ratio of p by h. So this is the ratio of p and h. Now cos theta is the ratio of b and h. It is b by h. Similarly, every trigonometric ratio is expressed in ratio form taking p, b, h. Now the question is, suppose here if we say suppose this is 10 unit and this is suppose 12 unit. Suppose, so this is suppose 12 unit, this is 10 unit. Now if we take sin theta, now what will be the sin theta here? Now sin theta is p by h, so that means 10 by 12. Okay. Now if we cancel this one, it will be 5, this is 6. It will cancel with 2. Now this is 5 by 6. So this is the ratio. That means the ratio of this side to this side is 5:6. 6. Okay, so that is why these trigonometric functions are called trigonometric ratios when we are taking some angle. Okay, because they are expressed in the ratio of PBH. Okay, so that is why they are called trigonometric ratios. Now we will know its applications. Now before going to application, let me clear one thing. Suppose if we take this angle as theta. Now leave it. Suppose if we take this angle as theta, then what will happen? The side included between this angle and the right angle will be the base. Now this will be the base, not this one. This will be the base and this will be perpendicular and the hypotenuse will remain same. Okay. Then next question is, suppose theta is not given, no angle is mentioned here. Suppose, then suppose you want to find out sine A. Okay. Now here we are considering angle A. So this one. Okay. Now for this angle, this will be the base and this will be the perpendicular P and this will be the hypotenuse. So now sine A will be how much? P by H. So that means this is BC. Okay. By H is AC. Okay. Similarly, suppose we want to determine tan C, means tangent of this angle C. Now tan C will, you know, tan theta is P by B. So for this angle, since we are taking tan C, so for this angle this will be the base, this will be P. So tan C will be P by B. So that means AB by BC. Okay. So in this way, the trigonometric ratios when you take of any angle, when you take trigonometric ratios of any angle, then PBH changes accordingly. Okay. So this you have to always remember. Now we will go for its applications, where these trigonometric ratios are applied in our day-to-day life. Okay. So let me erase this one. Now suppose this is a river. Okay. Suppose this is a river. Now here suppose a pole stands on this bank. Okay. Now just on its opposite, on the opposite side of this river, on the next opposite bank, suppose you are standing here. Okay. Now the angle of elevation of the top of this tower or the pole from this point. Okay, suppose this angle is theta. That means if you join this one with this one, then this angle is suppose theta. Okay. Now this is the pole. So now name it. So suppose this is ABC. Now this ABC becomes a right angle triangle. This angle will be 90 degree. Now AB is the here pole. Okay. BC is the width of the river. Okay. Now this is the angle theta. Okay. Now you can find out the angle by means of any device, by using any device or by any means you can find out the angle theta. It is possible to measure the angle theta. Now you know the height of the pole. Okay. Now how to determine this one? Okay. Now ABC is a right angle triangle. You know tan theta. Tan theta is P by B. Now here this is the B and this is the P. Okay, this is P, this is B. Now tan theta will be P by B. So this is P by B. Now you know the height of the pole, so you know the value of P. Now you can determine the value of theta by any means, by using any device or any equipment you can measure it. It is practically possible. So now you can determine tan theta because you know the angle. Now you know this one and this one. So if you put these values, you will get the value of B. So you can determine the width of the river. So this is one application. There are several situations in which these trigonometric ratios can be used. Okay. In some cases sin theta is used. In most of the cases tan theta is used. Okay. But in some cases sin theta and cos theta is also used. So these trigonometric ratios have vast applications in many situations in our day-to-day life. Even astronomers are also using these trigonometric ratios to determine the height and distances. Okay, there is also a chapter in class 10 books, height and distances. So there also you will find so many applications of these trigonometric ratios. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then don't hesitate to subscribe this channel if you are a new viewer to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Goodbye.